Hello and welcome to our channel. Today is part 4 of our house tour, and it's our last house tour before we move in. If you haven't seen part 1, 2, and 3, go check those out. Otherwise, look at the exterior of our home. We've got stone, we've got garage doors, we've got lights. Let's go, y'all.
Hi, I'm Cameron.
And I'm Tia.
We're so excited that you're here.
Let's jump right into the video.
Okay, so first things first, here's our main living space. We've got our appliances. Obviously, the fridge is not in yet, but you can see everything except for our range hood is there. There's my mama. And this is going into our pantry. Okay, look. We love because you have to walk in there. So there's my mom, dad, and Cam. Eventually we want to do countertops in here and make it a functional space. But right now, those are just the shelves, and here's our powder room. You can just see some of the little things that we did, like the faucet and the toilet paper holder, and then there's our closet. All of our closets now have those racks in them. And then in our kitchen, Cam's just checking that out. And then here is in our master bedroom. This is my closet. Oop, take 2. And you can see, yes, it's huge. I'm so very excited about it. So this will be a project that we eventually do. It's not something that we're going to do right now, but we want to do a full custom closet in here with all of the space that we have. And then here is our main bath upstairs. So it'll be the guest and kids bath. You can see our countertops kind of have those flecks, and we did black faucets in there. This is our master bath. We just have this Miami white countertop, that huge linen closet, charcoal blue countertops, and y'all, that's all I've got for you today. Look at it changing fall. Next is move-in.